chicks mo tie ke na jako ke ngong real money ke na chao ke wa yai no be kute ke ne gwa mo no ulu tu ki chilling chicks mo na chicks no go ya ki chaka an yaba ki chaka an twiu so ka yaba ki chaka ngom mo ma yaba ki chaka cha mo imar ma di no ina cha da man ay we do piano be pe kute wona emzo ni
Betital an jole inda dojo Lakwed TV kuno nian matini food anatie hashtag rehabilitation center kamano ino yup timaduong gen gitiga neno ni umir oroto lok me street enini man mano ino lutien mamegwa gitig kadeno chan ieni gwak wek gen bena gilwenye iye matek an chalo la didi ben kachel ki Lakwed TV watiano kwat ki hashtag kuno neno mamegwa tieni umir wakele laka ikit me lok me chan mano luten mamegwa giti iye kidong permo ko mano bion maluke ki ber mamegi district akanyuni atigi wele chel ma en obitero nye kidong no lok ma wabiloko en wabineno yo ngo ma wan waramo kelo ki peole en madana tiga nongone ki ber mamegi bena district eneni giango Allah ngo ma wan waramo kele giango ma en chalo gwak en rom ben tit ne bot wa pien lok ti maduong madana chamo ke ngeo pol kar ka lok pe winye nga dan pe lok kingi itiro ber mer cha gwak cha kene ka ber ke bek chitine anatiki mera chel ka ken amera foi total amera foi lok kera foi lok kera
yo a foi da ruate kiri la dit Maaki the Ben Maaki Lakwed TV. Yo, this is your voice Swag Nature UG Get to Print Street Night Anta. So an abiru get to Prince and Street Night Anta. You are still hunting at night, day at night, right? And feeding money because I'm starting stay in the street for a long time. But however, I'm staying in the street. I never steal someone thing. I just hunt to my money. Hunting my money is difficult because I'm alone in my life. I look for my money by on myself. Most of the people say, oh, when I'm shabby, people say this guy is mad, this guy is what. People talk about my life, but I don't fear. I put a lot close to my heart. When you see I put on a rosary, this is my goal that is helping me every day in my struggle. So what I do, I just I go to training in a youth center there. I do my training, I come and sleep, then I read the Bible every day. I pray for my city every day. I want my city to be the capital city in Uganda. The Angulu is the only city in the world. The Angulu will be the superpower because we are the king. We are the best generation that people never seen. We are already starting building another foundations of generations. We are the king of the generation. So we need the government to give a special need, something that someone need in that street. Those people in the street, they are not going to go back to the street. You know, when you have something, and like me, I don't have my real brother. I'm alone in our family. Then my mother gave birth to me and left me to my grandmom when I was 2 months. Then I start from there. Life is not easy. You know, when you're not having your real mom, you see the life, you start seeking for the life. People see like you're mad, but you think deep and you realize you meditate much about yourself. When you love yourself, you start by loving and putting your mercy for in truth. For me nowadays, what I put it, truth is a belt of my waist. Truth is a belt of my waist. So I keep on doing my thing with the truth. And people see like I'm joking, but I stay everywhere because I am Ugandan. I'm allowed to stay in Uganda. That's why most people see me going to the ghetto, staying with everybody because I'm Uganda. The reason I love my country. My country is my identity, and I'm wishing some years not some years. Maybe this year I will represent Uganda internationally in musics, dramas and dance. I represent Uganda. I love my country and my country is my identity. So by doing this, the trick that I use to do this is listen people's speech. You know, when you're not staying with your mom, you're staying with anybody. You can know everything within. You just go anywhere, but you never steal someone things. You know, when you never steal someone thing, you just stay anyhow. Kapeti mo bal ngoma bal yak chao nungining. Pa kwalo kinangaro mo peke gui edo giri peke government no chana ma matitiri me wilo boni an ka down on me ni bomb money ke ni ruke down on chao loke kumini ko ilon ko itinining but an pa jenye dak be pa nyate an da ten matiri. I'm only 19 years old and I'm now about to meet my target. This is my prosper. I plan for my life. I don't do anything far. That's why people, when you see me moving on the street, people see me, this is a useless guy. I say, no, God only know me why I'm doing this. So I'm pa I work at pa nyote. I win you look kai why team this and that. A timo kin mo can because ngene kedio meko and down tika look what I go obetining and dima pol tika biene koma ngong. I better down my maro lega food. Ben I lego maraja dida because of my life. I better so lonely and kwa makaroke and I call survivor in a G city, Gulu G city. I am survivor pande. Those groups who are chani don't go to be when. But I'm survivor. I started surviving by lega. A bit like favor of God. A lego kamoy kama no lega ti favor of God favor of God ministry a lega cha la kono cha onye and mostly dano kero chungi food. Kita ruke kere. But mega a ruke ki reasons. Man the reason why I put on drill. This one is a yellow. Okay. It means Uganda and our government. And our country, an abundant sign in our country. Okay. This is the highs of a new mound. A new mound is coming. That's a new mound is July is now coming. Okay. The high that man will be good, and this white it means a light there. Uganda do boberu mabe chilling boberu tie Uganda down butiu chilling wabiberu ki so gulu budon 11 more can gulu peke power waki Lagos. In my realizations, Gulu people, they are very wise even than those of Lagos. Those are Lagos, they are just brag, they are just brag, they are no bad than us Gulu. So Gulu we are fided indeed. In the music we bang them, in anything. So Acholi is my culture. I'm proud of my Acholi. Anatio Bandera Pai, Uganda. Ki la didlo His Excellency Museveni award the reason of a sun sign in Uganda. That yellow is not for joking. You people, you respect Uganda. I love when you love your country, you will start saying that Museveni is a good president. When you don't love your country, you see Museveni like you enemies. But Museveni is not any passion enemies. He's a good passion. That yellow is for a reason. Abundant sunshine in our country. Okay. So afoy matea kupeki Lakwed TV anya ujok Brian swag nying matiwi ID na so amaru kakana la tian Acholi ameru wabali widana ya abiri gato ana tian gato gera.
Okay. In la tian Acholi, yes, la tian Acholi makwe.
An la tian Acholi ya da truly by God pangeu gera really kumgang waki kume pangeu but ana Acholi amana gera tilao amana ki kagalang so wera bon mamana madir mafuratiri ki magario so pange weri na mokene pange weri na mokene tika biana waye pange gi bada bega surviving straight always mostly a beru ki job straight piana beru ket gi mabege mama te mape so always a beru ger wera ti ganga gera ati ganga ma am a god ganga inari ji shire I am fide
manyori ka gwakonyo opportunity ngale ni oleto mirchere nen gang mamiko inone piatak be
gang mamegwa real land our cradle lands. I beg to see our cradle land. I will be happy. I will be happy to see because I never know very well. My father didn't tell me my cradle lands, so I was charging it. That's why I'm doing this to charge it. Where is our home? I want to know our real land. I don't know, but what I know, I know, I am Uganda. I stay in Gulu. Uganda is my country. I love my country. I have some patriotism. It's a spirit of being friendly with others, and I don't separate tribe. This is an Acholi what any tribe I stay with them, I speak with them, and I have some songs called Tima by Swag Nature. You go in the YouTube channel, you check on it, then atiki jima duong akadleluya futi studio ba once bit pange ka karo ke wa bada binano kinano karo ni tap be yele wa kare wa etimo dong real music to compete mitimo pe Uganda pe music money me just I'm not just sing within Gulu so I'm young but I'm seeing forward my focus is on forward. I want to challenge those people. I want to say that Gulu we are fidel. Yeah, we are the people of GH.
Mego kana
Mego na come mamma ne come amaro ma pa chunya chue bera tamo per chawen ba mamma ne come winni ti opet ti gange mono pet but pa ngeu gange ke come mati but atemo ke temo wacha atemo niang because opet kono wan when wa chero ngo gini chero gi ana bega work ken pin ngo gini work ken pin because ibero don wa in don ngo ra ne really don ngo gini rel pa ji ke wa ya ngo gini wa ya mi ji se de kanyu nya boys o kute ngo gini winyo antika mene come e wa me fi banging them
so ikinero ni piane angeni rombeti guak pe kubiri ini guak nero mamigi no romber piane nero tiko poke like as time goes on it keeps shifting itamni guakonyo kao yupe ni yumere ien guakonyo ichiat dong mano oringeni ini dong ene gang mamegwa madong ena kama ana beriye ma gang ma ana aki gang babana en itamni gin eno ni gwa kao timera bergen mabere twali kone
pero mo beru gian mabere twali kone because pangibe pardon and ground beru my enemies gang maro mo chera en gang kama my mother first leave me ye kama temo agir kinena ye mamana ye ena
ri kar maro me mapene mama
ri kar ma dong romo nan chalo Ricard, ange babane come sincerely speaking, ange 2018. Mamana realizing min young any mamana ke come and nene 2016. So ki wori mo keni don abega this time round aberu ga hunting na money tika money ka forest kanya one wa do ni get to far kenyo so anti na any aberu bore ngogi ni bega beru bore chane ma lona abe ki bore
ete ngeo kom lo nyori ni we
kom lo nyoro na ki koma ngeo babana atemo beru bore atemo tim babana kom wa lo nya wan ki keri because time mo bega nywara ke an po bega chula be school gi ngongo gini jimne pior ani tiki chuny mon it wa timo gi money and school pe so gana betimo ye amaru kwano bible ka amaru beri gato ka amaru loki boys garo ni jawa biru ka man wa beru champion chawa no chunya diga chuya no tika mona ti word ki kiyo mo di street ke ne winyo ka tiki round ke fona ki ka tiki ke fo na ke fo spider na mo maka chelo ke anyway ago kere ke penya go rara mo no chunya diga chuya ti go move ma no beri wa ti ko winyo ji en kute ya ka bora program mingi so adonyo ge ake move ngonge agora rage ne onu dawa ti mingi ma so ya wange ago me marara na kara winyo we so antika meno ya ji
apo era tamni ni mo oro to piera rombero tekni yobwat mamigi ke babani ki mamani mano yen ka dok en magi way danong beru gangini no itamni ene romte me
Ankani babana wani kere wa doka. Now Antunya Peraja. Babana be padegi. But the evils is on him. The evils of my stepfather. My stepmother was very evil passion indeed. She was so powerful. By the way, let me tell you about that lady. She's really, I don't know. Timeraj, Timapebe ngene. Kage wani Timapebe. You know me, nyang Timapebe, Timeraj, Pebe. So bad waloro. So an gere mirna palo ban ti mera bet gan ma missing. I miss her more than life, and my mana I'm missing more than life. I think me obedo ke ka chela ye ka chel wan ke mama because abana do I think I know mano ka obedo kan nan kire no chawo intam wiya ti ka bedo ka gwenye ti kelu ji mapat so gana abana pe bege ke yel ka abana be to safe and free settle ma wiyo pie pian wan ke don we wa pogorata because pian an ano kita gitimbe ke ngeu ka gana pe ngi nano ne ni chako nano ne because aberi ken dano ke anano ji mabe ke da beru ke da mabe ke charo gang ku no ji mene pat ji mene ti root and ji mene nano no permit so where better I take my leave well gimo ke ne kwana anyway tare wacha no I will answer it no but tare temo chuero chunya ke chiel the bituar chunya matwala better I leave you, let me chill with my stress and I focus.
Okay. Medong dolone mamani itamni olo iwai marful itamni rom chere nan chake
Mamana
well ga nana we rawel
mamana aneno te kar mo lok mo tem berutie ngeu ne money disaster man that disaster that happened in Gishiri that disaster that happened in Gishiri yamo eno aki Eastern da tika na kwano Bible yameno aki Eastern Uganda yameno bino matek no one watika akila ibe atika ano ke ga anko la mo so karma ani tam no chunya chue kama chunya chue result po mera mo maka the first time ora o mera ne karo poro chie eno tie wen so karma mera no bino ma chie tie ke ene so kikero nyonyo mo futi we chie we chawane so mera ni anbe pangi kida o mera chel mo ke wa o mera ati go migine wa o mera wenti gato atu nongo ni awinyi ke goy marati o yada did acha checking on him and kana acha no to pe no ti o yada did I checking on him no niti ni pere o yada no ni file ti so acha o yada kenyo ki o yada ni tap acha ke wana charo ana mushari tuna bala wa mara don pere eto da in any time disaster tem yamo eno to be na dida yamo to cat uri wa billboard when poro I was very surprised so kara no ni mama no waini an enini ano koningo ko ano nidi ko tetulela chi ana win you ka feeling that fate out of fate I feeling bad things with that out of fate chawe ane koma ni egenda ginege time koma so wara keja achara wa ambika nene koma wa Bible la wanyo yet and Bible ni akano di bot emzomo we cover ka mo amerikenyo nge wano ma bolu dis emzoni no mama do big mama mo manu isteri man nyangera makirebe nge wa ma chile emzomo makirebe pian ki okay no yabuwi wa in la tena ke tem ke monen ke repeat e gam winyo te goy ke pasan moni beruti jago ke crocs mogo mati bad ke ne winyo inyang no rel mogo wa isteri inyang anyaro so hermetic ameno so ginen ke winyo disaster ni otime kara disaster ero te very tough poberu yot so wacha award aje acharo gara ngenu shori moge ti nge wayairo oyai be chao ke chune boro no me ke bed si no I fala mongo gini widowe no fala my baro chicks mo tie ke na jago ke ngo ke rel mo ni ke na chao ke wayai no be kute ke ne gwa mo no uru to ke chilling chicks mo na chicks no goya ke chaka an yaba ke chaka trio so ka yaba ke chaka ngo mo ma yaba ke chaka mo imar ma di no ina cha da man ay widowe piano be pe kute wona emzoni